Yo, yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Hypnotic Trades over here, getting dizzy no kizzy. I'm glad you guys are tuning in. Put a like and subscribe. Get the algo higher. I'm gonna show you guys what I made and how I made 80 bucks on Meta. So, let's get into Meta. Let's go get into what happened this morning. SPY. Meta. Actually, we're gonna put NQ here. And then meta there. Alright. So let's get it. Let's get it. So today we seen SPY. Um SPY above and today we've seen SPY pre-market reject so many times on this major candle here at the 430 candle. We rejected here and then we came back up and rejected again twice, not twice but the third time, and then we opened strong, then rejected once again 567.50. We rejected again. This was also this yesterday's Thursday structure on yesterday's level. 567.50 again was the level. We broke below it, retested, and then rejected off that 567.50 level again. And my plan was, if we rejected that, market's going to dump. That was my bias. We've seen it rejected almost several times already. I came into Meta. We've seen Meta 607 reject here. This was my level from the hourly to two for the 4 hour time frame also. This major reject levels here because my level came from the 4 hour time frame. I don't know if you guys see it. Let me pop this more higher. So the 607 level came from this high, broke it, became resistance, your resistance became support, broke again, became resistance, rejected resistance, broke resistance, became support again, and then all-time highs, and so forth. Then it became this level right here, this level, right? And we also seen this level also here. So the 607 was a very clean level for me. Personally, we've seen also major rejects off the it was consolidating for a moment, but we were able to catch the 607 reject, or 610. My bias was 610. If we can get to 610, take a reject off that, or 607 reject. And 607 reject was very clean. I wanted to hold my position, but I did not want this to become a reversal trade. I did not want this to become to reverse on me on the 5 minute. I was holding this on the 5 minute. We tested this red EMA, this Ripster cloud, and I did not want it touched the Ripster cloud, so I just full sold my position there. We could have held. Another level also that was clean was the 597. 597 was also clean too. Or off VWAP. This was still considered bearish because of VWAP and the yellow Ripster cloud. I didn't held my position longer because I was just mainly focused on this area right here, because I did not want this trade to reverse on me. Correct? We took profits, at least. We took profits, and that's all that matters. It was also a Friday. I didn't want to risk another Friday. risk risk another trade because it's Friday. So we just took one trade today, went to the gym and came back. So now, and then I came back from the gym and I seen this reject. I was going to take this reject again, but I did not because like again, like I said, it was Friday. I didn't want to take another trade. Cash flow trade is better. So just to stay in that profit trade, just to stay profitable. Stick with my profits, especially it's Friday. We'll move on to next week. We do have a lot of plays here for next week. We can see this Tesla. I'm thinking of a break and retest of 293. 293 is the level for me for Tesla. If we can get back down here or the 291 area, I will get a position, and then we can see what happens from there. That's my play for next week. We're not sure, depending on how market opens next week. We're not sure. Amazon, Amazon still in this range. I don't want to trade in this range. Microsoft, 440 is the level. We could have took a reject again over here. 440 was my level. I was thinking of taking a 440 reject because yesterday there was a 440 reject as well. So I was planning on taking that, but I didn't. I was solely focused on Meta. Demand AMD was a great longing this. Whoever longed this was nice. Lots of levels here. Lots of opportunities. So lots of opportunities arise. We've seen NQ. NQ also rejected this 260 level. That was my cue to also short. We've seen so many rejects here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Became resistance. Broke. Now we're up in the supply again. Broke the supply. We are now rejecting the supply. So that was a nice play there if anybody took that. I didn't take anybody else's trades. I'm trying to stay away from taking signals from other people, from other Discord channels. I'm not trying to. I'm just gonna stick to my own this time. I've been losing a lot lately because of signals. Let me tell you this: signals does not help you trade at all. If you just trade signals, you're not really learning anything. So, I suggest if you are getting into trading, go, and I encourage you to go and do your homework, test so much things, and try your best to just keep trying your best, and also just learn, just keep learning no matter how many L's you're taking. Just keep learning. I'm taking so many L's already, but I'm still learning. That's the beauty of trading. It's about the destination, not it's about the journey, not the destination. Okay, so that's all that matters. um we can It's a beautiful Friday. I mean, a lot of Bitcoin's also holding. Bitcoin's in this consolidation. We can see this Bitcoin. We just broke that 100K, broke up to 104, and now we are in this range, this consolidation range. It just can break above 104, 105. We can see an upside move, but I suggest, well, it's kind of late buying Bitcoin mining companies. I did warn people to buy some Bitcoin mining companies back down in here at 99,000, 98, the 98K level. Um, we did see all these mining companies. The only thing about these mining companies, though, they only move solely off momentum of Bitcoin. So whatever Bitcoin does, if the momentum is very strong, these mining companies will for sure move. That's my bias with these mining companies because we've seen Bitcoin go up sometimes, but the algo and then the pressure on Mara and these other mining companies did not move that much. But because Bitcoin was rallying so high, like the past 2 days, these mining companies just went crazy. So we can see a higher move on these mining companies. It's just a matter of time. If they slow the momentum down, I mean, you can move to altcoins. I do only have one altcoin that I'm holding, but that one is that one's probably that's kind of gambling. So we'll just see what happens to that altcoin. So as long as the BTC dominance is down, we can see these altcoins go. I might add here, but hmm. But yeah, guys, it's a really nice Friday today. Um, Stocks are holding well. Tesla just a huge breakout, and that's what I'm watching next. So tune in next week. I'll see you guys next week.